Hi friends, this is the next video in my video series Emotions and Feelings. And as I say always, whatever information I bring to you through my videos is authentic. Let's start. Friends, in this video I'll discuss with you what happens in our brain when we have a thought or an experience. Let's first understand that to have any emotion, to feel any emotion, some material is required, some raw materials are required which are mixed and then they result in the emotion. These raw materials are three. One is pleasure, then another may be pain, and either of these is clubbed with your memories to give rise to emotions and feelings. How this happens, let's understand. First, imagine a trunk of a tree is going from your spinal cord area, from here till to the middle of your brain, that is towards the middle of your brain, inside that. If this is the structure of your brain, then it will be somewhere inside. That trunk is reaching there, and at the top of the trunk, in the middle, in the center of your brain, there is a bundle of nerves which is placed on the center, on the top of this trunk. This trunk is called as brainstem, and the bundle of nerves is called as limbic system. And this is the region where your all the raw materials which you require for emotion are mixed here. In my earlier videos, I discussed neurotransmitters and how your thoughts and experiences get converted into feelings or emotions. So what happens is this bundle of nerves or limbic system is a system which will have all these raw materials and which will receive all the signals which your nervous system is sending. Now, the thing is that this limbic system is connected with other parts of the brain, which are responsible for your for the other processes which are happening in your body. For example, breathing, your heartbeats, your respiration, or your the flow of your blood. So this limbic system is connected to the parts of the brain which are responsible for all these activities of your body. What happens in normal situations is that some feeling or emotion rises and is sensed by the limbic system, and based on that it activates some parts of your brain. Based on that, you will have a certain heartbeat, you will have a certain breathing rate, you will have a certain pulse, and you will have certain respiratory rate. So, and other such body movements. Now, what happens when you feel some emotion to hide of it? For example, you are exploding with anger, or you are extremely scared, or you are overtly happy. Then this limbic system in such case, that is the bundle of nerves, in such case, it gets overloaded. So when your phone gets overloaded with the processes which you are making it run, the same way your system, limbic system, also gets overloaded. And then the other parts of the brain to which it is connected, the limbic system causes those parts to be overtly active or underactive, and they behave in improper manner. And that's when you feel extreme heartbeat, or very fast breathing, or very shallow breathing, or even your heartbeat raises to such a level that it crosses the normal threshold, or sometimes you may have panic attacks. In extreme cases, you have heart attacks. In even extreme cases, for example, if your body is experiencing extreme intensity of fear, then it can even scare you to death. Yes, I'm not saying it in a metaphorical way, but in a literal meaning, that the person might die also out of fear or scare. this is where my work comes. I work by changing your thought patterns so that the feelings and emotions which are arising in you are in your control, and you decide what feeling or what emotion is arising to you, no matter what is the situation which is in front of you, no matter how scary it is, no matter how saddening it is. It will be you who will decide that you will still feel happy and you will still feel safe. Have a happy life, friends. Enjoy and keep smiling.